guys, welcome back to my channel. Wow, so I hope you guys had an amazing week. My week was pretty decent. It was busy, had a lot going on. My son had some obligations to attend to, which was for his fencing, and yeah, it was pretty good. Also this week, well, this past week, he had a senior night for the fencing team. That was awesome. The kids, they enjoyed themselves, and we had things that was for them. They had, like, sandwiches and cupcakes, just different things to celebrate them, which was a good thing. I'm gonna begin to tell you how my day went this morning. All right, my child had to be at school at 6:15. Another obligation that had to get taken care of. He had to be there to support the freshman and sophomore at their tournament today. So like I said, I had to be by 6:15 this morning. So I've been up since 4:30, so I'm super exhausted. Really, I am exhausted. Can't begin to tell you. But I did not waste time today. Although I wanted to come home and take a nap, I did not do that. I wanted to be very productive. So what I did was I went to the laundromat first, got that done, left from there, headed straight to the supermarket, and did some grocery shopping, because later on, I am going to be cooking. I'm going to do some, I believe, fried rice. I'm going to do some fried salmon, and I'm not sure right now which vegetable. I'm going to ask my son which one does he want. Does he want broccoli or the whole green string beans or spinach? I'm not sure about the spinach. I don't think it's going to match. So I'm going to rule that out right now. That's not going to be a part of the meal. And also, guys, I'm going to do my grocery shopping haul. All right. So I'm going to go through that quickly because I don't want to spend too much time on it, because there's other things I need to do. I've been out all morning. I'm super exhausted, as I stated before. So I'm gonna get through that, try to get dinner prepared and done. I doubt it'll be done before my son gets here. I'll just kind of like do some things, prep it beforehand, so it won't be so much to do when he gets home. Yeah, so yeah, good. The good thing is, when I was at the grocery store, my fish guy was there, in the fish department. Listen, I'm very particular on who handles my fish. Charlie, that's my guy. He knows how to cut the fish exactly how I want it, the way I want it. I am so meticulous when it comes to these things, certain things, not everything. Well, some will beg to differ, because I am meticulous about a lot of things. But yeah. So I'm excited about that. Yeah, because I know that he did it the correct way. All right. Let me know if you guys have your fish guy, your deli guy, or deli woman, whoever it is that you like to go to all the time. Me, I like to go to the same person. But there's some other little gems there as well, the young guys. So I respect them and support them as well. All right, enough talking, because let me tell you, I can talk. So I'm going to go ahead and get started with this haul. You guys check it out. All right, so here's my haul. I purchased some more spinach. Needed that. Some blueberries, strawberries, some habanero peppers, some more bananas, garlic. Yes, some more potatoes and some eggs. Okay, so here's my big bulky side. I have my Capri Suns that I purchased, some Goya chickpeas in the can, some veggie sausages. I have this one. Excuse my knife, guys, because I got some pizza too, okay? And I'm like warming it up right now. And I have my links as well. Some rice milk for my son. Some tuna, which was on sale for $1 this week. Got him some Cheetos, some more Portuguese roll. Got some yellow rice and some more spaghetti, fettuccine, and I have purchased the regular spaghetti as well. I think I showed you my milk, some tomatoes. I love the Sargento balanced breaks. We needed some more jelly, some ketchup, parsley flakes. I have not been successful finding these parsley flakes in the jars recently, so I had to get the packet ones. We got some more waffles, broccoli, French fries, fish sticks here, and move this back over there. Okay, what is this? This is the kale, some apples, some red leaf lettuce, my knife again, some cheese, and some cold cuts for my son, some avocados, and some salmon, which I'm going to be cooking this tonight. And you guys get to see me do that. All right, I want to go through this very quickly, okay? Oh, some more, womanly things. All righty. I forgot to say I had some Goya kidney beans and my son some donut holes. Child, they changed the name of these things constantly. These were called pop-ons before, and now they're donut holes. What else? Oh, forgot about the sausage. The brown and served sausages. And I think that's it. That's my haul. All right, guys, so the haul is completed. We're going to move on to dinner now. I'm going to start cleaning the salmon. I don't know what you guys do, but I usually use lemon juice, lime or lemon juice, to clean my salmon. And after that, I'll start the rice. And then I'll get into cutting up the veggies for the fried rice. All right, so let's get started. All right, guys, so I already poured the lemon juice on here, so I'm just gonna rub it in now. Get the back of the salmon, the front of the salmon. Okay. All right, so let's rinse this. Some cold water. Well, I'm gonna still rub it some more. All right, I'm gonna move on to my rice now. I'm gonna do 2 cups of rice. I'm just gonna put it in here and I'm gonna wash it. Yeah, I definitely measure my rice because, yeah, that's the only way I can do it. I mean, I can eyeball it, but in order to get that right amount and then the right amount of water that you want in here, I definitely do that. I'm gonna wash this rice now. And guys, I use jasmine white rice. Yeah, and I do use my hand. Sometimes this rice needs to be rubbed. And I usually rinse it until it gets clear. Alright, and I'm gonna have this cooking while I cut up my veggies. As you guys can see, I am mincing the onions. I want them like cut very, very small. All right, guys, so I moved on to my green bell pepper, but not really. Listen, I've been going to the store lately and the pepper has not been fully green. Not all. I mean, I went today and it was green, but this is the pepper I bought, purchased like last week. So yeah, it was like that before I got it. Don't think that I let it sit too long and it turned there. As you can see, I'm cutting this as well, but I'm going to make sure I cut it really fine, almost as if I'm mincing the pepper as well, but not really. Okay, we're moving on to my red bell pepper. Yes, I usually do yellow onion, red bell pepper, and green bell pepper. Same concept. Their fried rice differently. Some people put carrots in it. I came up with what I want to put in there. I actually gotten this idea from Chef Quiche. I believe that's how you pronounce his name, on Facebook. Young chef, Jamaican guy, really cool. I like his content. So this is done. I'm going to put this in a pot so it can now cook down, sweat a little bit, so once the rice is done, I can add it. All right, guys, I'm pouring the oil. Yes, I'm putting a lot in here. All right, now I'm gonna add the onions and peppers. Everything off here. Turn this on. And I'm gonna let the onions and peppers cook down. Yeah. All right, guys, I'm gonna cut up the salmon now. Rinse this knife off. And I've learned this little hack from another YouTuber, so that you don't mess up your wood board with meat. You don't want to cross-contaminate anything. So I can use that board just for that purpose, which is for my veggies. Now, I bought these cutting board mats from the Dollar Tree, and we're gonna just place that on top of here. Perfect, right? So let's get with my salmon. Get these sleeves back up. All right, place the salmon on here. All right, so here's my salmon. All right, I'm gonna cut them into nugget size. All right. Have it. So those are my nugget size pieces of salmon. All right. Okay. So start frying it at some point. All right. Let's start up these veggies. All right, guys. I'm gonna add my batter to a Ziploc bag for my salmon. I'm gonna season my salmon. So I'm adding my batter to the bag. Pre-made batter. Guys, it's Cajun pre-made batter. Okay. Alright, guys, so I'm adding the rice to the veggies now. I took some out so that I can add to the top, so it'll just be all at the bottom. It's really recommended that you use day-old rice, but I didn't do that. Should have did it yesterday. That was my fault. Taking all of the rice out of here. It's 2 cups of rice. You know, it's enough for leftovers, so that's why I'm making that much. Okay. All right, guys. So this is how the rice is looking now. But I'm going to add the seasoning to the rice. Okay. All right, here we go. I'm going to add garlic powder. Okay. Next, I'm going to add cayenne pepper. Give it some spice. All right, onion powder, sea salt, just a little bit. And now I'm gonna add my soy sauce. All right, less sodium, okay, guys? And I don't usually put too much in here, and that's about it. And then I'll stir it up off camera. All right, guys, so the fried rice is done, and I'm gonna move on to make the fried salmon and my broccoli. Alright guys, so I added the salmon to the pre-made batter. Okay. And it should be ready to go. Nice and seasoned. Alright guys, the salmon is done. I'm about to take it out of the pot before it burns. Looks delicious. Alright guys, so the meal is complete. As you can see, the fried rice is done, the fried salmon is done, and the broccoli. And yeah, let's give it a taste. Okay. It is definitely good. You did a good job with that. Let's do the salmon. All right, guys, let me finish chewing this. So that completes our video. I'm glad you guys were able to come and hang out with me today as I did my grocery haul and as I did my cooking. My version of my fried rice, version of, the fried salmon. Everyone does things differently, but yeah, so that's it. Until next time. Thank you for watching my video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment down below. Toodles. Until next time.